In a land of glitter and giggles lived a fairy named Fizzle, who had the loudest sneeze in the whole forest.
Achoo!
Every time Fizzle sneezed, flowers flew, and squirrels lost their nuts.
I don't mean to mess things up.
A wise owl appeared and said, "Every sneeze brings surprise. Maybe you can use your power to help." Fizzle sneezed near a sad flower, and poof! It bloomed brighter than ever.
Yay! My sneeze is a gift.
Even our quirks can be magical, just like Fizzle's sneeze. Be proud of who you are.